Hi, my name's David Sickles. Welcome to FE on the Road.
This video is sponsored by Bauer, heavy-duty bearings by NTN. Visit powerofbauer.com for more information.
You know how powerful your trucking data can be. Data helps you optimize your fleet. Data can affect your choices from the big topics like fuel economy and predictive maintenance all the way down to which brand of coolant you should use. It's that important. Of course, OEMs, suppliers, technology partners, and maintenance providers are all keenly aware of data's potential too, and that can cause a conflict around how and when certain truck systems are accessed, as well as who can access them. This is why data security is essential for fleets. Think of your truck as a PC. On a PC, there are entry points like USB ports, CD drives, and even the internet that could allow someone to access that device with terrible intentions. The same is true for the truck, accessible through vehicle ports, telematics devices, over-the-air programming, and more. The more connected trucks become, the more protection is necessary. But who decides who can access information and how they can access it? Today, there are OEMs in the automotive industry that have begun to restrict access by adding security gateways on their vehicles and components that require anyone who wishes to access the vehicle to register with them. This restricts access from people the OEM doesn't recognize, and you couldn't blame the trucking industry for wanting to do the same thing for security's sake. Because hackers thrive in an anonymous environment, the end goal for data security is to only allow authorized users to access or modify data. This will ultimately come down to a balancing act between limiting the access to ensure that trucks operate as designed and making sure that the end users can still have the tools and services to run their business effectively. The important takeaway is that you need to be an active participant in the data conversation. Start talking about the way data is accessed and used with everyone you work with, including OEMs, suppliers, technology providers, even the people you work with in your office and in your shop. Then focus on what you need to grow your fleet and the best way to protect those data opportunities. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.